Today, as usual, we will not be using our beautiful, sleek walnuts. However, this little beauty over here, our portable power station, is what we'll be using. Simple, just take your plug. Another successful day at CTG and chocolate cake anytime you want it. If you want to make this recipe, we'll leave our recipe in the comments. You're more than welcome to try it out at home with our portable power station.